what's up? Welcome back to my kitchen. Question for you. Have you ever been to a Greek restaurant, in a Greek town somewhere? Of course you have. Have you gone in there and ordered their souvlaki or some kind of dish and it's come with their classic or their house Greek rice? And you thought like, holy shit, this is like incredible. This is really, really good. Well, today I'm going to show you how to make it in just a couple of steps. It's a one vessel meal. You put everything in one, you bake it off. It's super delicious, super easy, and it's a blast. And people love this. They just gobble it up. So let's get to it. Short and sweet. First thing you're going to need is 2 cups of rice. I'm using long grain rice. Very easy. The next thing you're going to add is 3 cups of chicken stock. Now, whatever chicken stock you got, I happen to be using the low sodium, no extra salt added, but whatever you like is totally fine. The next thing is a little bit of lemon, and I'm talking a cup of lemon. And for the love of Pete, I've pre-squeezed this. Do not use that, pre-bottled lemon juice shit or whatever that's out there. It's not like real lemon juice. Squeeze some goddamn lemons and make yourself some nice lemon juice. So this is what's in here so far. And I know it's a little bit full, my dish, but the rice will absorb this, I promise you. The next thing that's gonna go into this is half a stick of butter. I know, but nobody said it was a healthy dish. I'm saying it's a delicious dish. So we're gonna throw in half a stick of salted butter. Yeah, people say control the salt, but I'm not gonna add any extra salt to this. I'm simply gonna just take that 1 stick. There we go here. And let me just break this up nice and easy. This will go in there as well. Now that all of our ingredients are in, we're gonna bake this off for an hour in total. The first half hour, we're gonna cover it with aluminum foil and bake it covered. And then we're gonna take off the aluminum foil and bake it for another half hour uncovered. When you undo the aluminum foil in the half hour point or at the half hour point, give it a quick stir, and we're gonna add some peas into this. Alrighty, my rice is ready to go, just out of the oven. Let me grab something to fluff this up with, and you'll see what I'm talking about now. The peas have all kind of floated to the top, and it's exactly what we want, exactly what I'm looking for. It's absolutely perfect. And the flavor or the smell, oh my gosh. This is what you want. You want this light, you want this fluffy. You don't want it clumping and sticking together and being kind of all gross, and that's not what the goal here is. You have the flavors all combined of the lemon, the butter, and the chicken stock. It is absolutely fantastic. That's exactly what you want, and this goes with everything. This goes with everything. Fish, seafood, meat, whatever. So now that we got the recipe part out of the way, I'm gonna share a little secret with you guys that very few people know about the Greek rice that you guys find in the restaurants like this. This really isn't a Greek recipe at all, actually. The story behind this is some fob from New York, or who just got to New York, was working in a restaurant kitchen and wanted to impress his boss. And he said that, well, let me show you how we make rice in Greece. And this is going back to like the late 50s, early 60s. So what did he have available? He had lemon juice, he had some butter, and he had, of course, chicken stock. Come on, like when there's chicken stock in like a Greek recipe, what Greek village do you guys know that deals or cooks with chicken stock, or any kind of stock for that matter? So that's my little kind of tidbit here on this recipe. This is, yes, it's a Greek It's a Greek rice recipe, but it is more of a North American Greek rice recipe. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's kind of short and sweet, but it is full of flavor, packs a punch, and it's a hit every time. Also, before I go, you can also feel free to half this recipe. If you don't need this much rice, you can do basically 1 cup of rice and just half everything else that was in the recipe. So that's it, my friends. Thank you very much for watching. I appreciate your time. Please hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, share this with your friends. It's a very easy recipe. And until next time, thank you very much for watching. Bye for now.